In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Mailchimp email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Mailchimp to upload your brand's typography so it's ready to use across your emails. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and heading to the content area. This is where Mailchimp stores all your brand assets like images, logos, and files. From there, open the brand kit. The brand kit is Mailchimp's home for your visual identity, and adding your fonts here ensures they're available consistently whenever you design a campaign. If you see a prompt to set up your brand kit, go ahead and select Set It Up. This simply creates the workspace where your brand assets live. Once you're in, look for the Fonts section. This is the dedicated place for managing your typefaces, including headlines, subheads, and body copy styles that keep your emails on brand. Choose Add File to upload your font. Mailchimp accepts common formats like TTF, OTF, and sometimes WOFF. If your brand uses multiple weights or styles, such as regular, medium, bold, and italic, upload each file separately so you can apply them correctly in your designs. A quick tip: give each file a clear name that matches its weight or style. That makes it easier to identify when you're styling text later. Before you finish, double check that your font license allows email use. Not all font licenses cover embedding or distribution in emails, so it's best to confirm. Also, keep file sizes reasonable. Lighter files help your emails load faster, especially on mobile. When your files finish uploading, select Save Changes. This step locks in the update and makes your font available in Mailchimp's email designer. After saving, your custom typefaces will appear alongside system and web fonts, ready for you to apply to headings and body text. A few best practices as you work with custom fonts in email. Not every email client will display custom fonts, so always expect a fallback to a web-safe option like Arial, Georgia, or Helvetica for some recipients. Pick a fallback that closely matches your custom font's proportions to maintain consistent spacing and readability. Reserve more decorative fonts for headlines, and choose highly legible styles for body text to keep your message clear. If your brand uses multiple weights, stick to 2 or 3 in an email to avoid visual clutter. And that's it. You opened content, went to the brand kit, set it up if needed, opened fonts, added your font files, and saved your changes. With your fonts in place, your Mailchimp emails can now reflect your brand's personality with consistency and confidence.